our shop light and brought it inside because it was way too hot to work.
It's way too dark, so we need the brightness, so we brought a shop light.
It was too hot during the day, that's why we're working at night.
That's why we're working at night. Yeah. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. But yeah. I made this side a little bit shorter because this is going to have an angle going across here, and we'll put it in an angled piece of wood later on that'll connect at 45s up to it. This is 1.5 inches short from the ceiling because there's going to be a support beam that goes, well, it goes across the roof right here. I'm going to have to cut out a section of this roofing and make it go across, and it's going to connect down here. It's going to go down here, and there's going to be wood that goes across here. There's going to be a wood panel or a frame that comes across here and up. Frame that goes right here, and another piece that connects, and then the other piece will come up across the top. And then every 18 inches there'll be an extra support beam so we know where they're at. So there'll be another one in between. I haven't made those yet though. And another one that goes over here. Right there in the center. So we have 3. This is 36 inches wide, so I have every 18 inches. And this is 35.5 inches, so we'll just do 18 inches and then to 35 inches. We building the wall right now. Just building up the framing for it. There's going to be basically on 18 inches. We got them across, and right here we have the beam that's going to go across the top, up in there. Then it's going to have side beams that go down from each side, down, and then another support up in there. We're going to have this same type of wall over this, and the inside wall will have some stuff in there too. It's pretty sturdy. So that's just screwed in from the sides. This is all the structure once that beam's up top. And yeah, I normally go with Milwaukee tools, but we got a jigsaw from Ryobi at a decent price. One problem is the wheel on there seems to not really work right. Doesn't seem to actually turn. It seems to just more slow it down than anything. So I hope you like my mask. It's a coronavirus mask, but I guess you can use it as safety for a dust mask. The blue siding around and all the way down and around.
Which really ties it together. There's the fire department. So right now we are working on framing out what we are going to have as a barn door. And there's going to be corrugated metal behind it. This is going to roll in between our kitchen and our bathroom. Thank you. So I stained the wood earlier today, and I left it opened on our work table. And now our cement porch into the garage is brown.
Fun stuff. And now everything is brown now too.
Yeah, all of our hands. So, don't leave stain open on a table.
Don't leave paint or stain.
Paint, stain, anything. Because there's going to be accidents.
Any chain. So put this center at 35 1/4. 35 1/4. Right there. 35 1/4. Right there.
Where's the fire department when you need them? They literally just drove by. Looks awesome so far.
Okay, so you want to see what it looks like without this?
No, it's okay. Let's have it be a surprise.
You'll be surprised?
Yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. We have our barn door.
The barn door!
And we also have our wall.
Yeah, it needs to have these painted, and it needs caulking along the edges. It's probably thick bead right there. I might want to do like a cover-up thing. And then we need the backsplash on here.
Mm-hmm.
This will be like that when it's closed.
That's pretty. I like it.
I love it. I want some more of it. Yeah, I got the molding on around the edges, but we need to still clean it up a little bit in the edges. And we need to paint on the blue a little bit and a little bit on the white down there to make it just a little bit better. This, again, is not staying. These screws will come out. And the air vent will be coming in pretty soon too. It's actually the wall! We finished up the wall. We did the caulking to it around the edges. And we have the final door now put in and installed on the hinges. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? What are you doing?
You
Hey.
cute girl?
What are you doing? Oh, that's a good girl. You were trying to find the toilet outside because you don't use that bathroom, huh? Yeah. You're a good girl. So, anyways, you got the sliding on here. We got the edging on here done. Going around. We have the inside of the door. We have this latch that comes down and locks to this one right here. And from when we're driving, we have this latch that locks onto here. So let me show that. When we're driving, we'll lock it in from here and it doesn't move so that this door won't swing around, swing open or anything like that. And when we get to where we're going, we can just pop it open, lock it on its latch, and the door can be open. Hey, you almost done in there? Hey, come on out. You're making it stink in there. If you guys like our videos and you don't think they stink, you want to see some more, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to see our content when it first comes out, hit the bell button below too to be notified. Hey everyone, until next time, hope to see y'all later.